This is a new platform. In this, we are going to participate. A very good platform. You can see it already has 70K followers, almost 70K followers over there. This is the Airdrop. This is the mining app, and they are very soon going to come on Binance Lab also. So, what is the process? How to log in? How to register? Each and everything. All the details will be given to you in this video session. We are going to get 27 I tokens daily. After complete daily task for that, after you accumulate 1200 I tokens to unlock your NFTs. Once unlocked, daily I earnings can be withdrawn and sold. So, friends, after collecting 1200 tokens, we can withdraw and sell it. That's what they've given it in a Twitter handle. So, we will log in into it and participate in this airdrop. Register, download the app, and unveil your NFTs from the blind box. We have to unveil, we have to remove it from the blind box. How we have to remove it? And earn I tokens, free NFTs, accumulate 27 I tokens daily, and estimated price is $7.5. So friends, we may get it that much rate, or we may very low from that amount, but we are getting it free. So we will participate. How to participate, each and everything, all the discussions, registration, login, how to work in it will be given to you in today's video session. So what you have to do, you have to just click the link in the description box. When you click the link in the description box, this will be the interface in front of you. So as normal, everything you do as normal, you have to do, you have to put your email, then you will get the code, you have to put the password, then you have to invite code, you have to put, then you have to agree on terms and condition, all the normal things, whatever you have to do. See, here you have to put your code, then here you have to put your password, then you have to click on I agree, and then you have to click on the sign up button. So really, oh, that's simple. I have written everything over here. I will click on I agree and I'll click on the sign up button. Once you click on the sign up button, this will take you to this page. Now you have to download the app. You can download it, whatever you have, App Store, Google Play Store, Test Flight, APK files. Download the app. When you download the app, after you download the app, you have to open the app. When you open the app, this will be the interface. Now you have to log in over here. Do not create account. Now you have to log in over here. Once you click on the login button, this will be the interface. Again, you have to enter your email and the same password. See, I've entered my email, and now I'll click on I agree, and then I will click on login. Once I click on the login button, this will be the interface in front of you. Now you have to click on the second button. Again, the button near to the team button. You have to click on that settings buttons. Click here. When you click here, this will be the interface in front of you. Now you have to get for free. This is the blind box in front of you. You have to get it for free. Click on get it for free. After that, you have to open this. You have to do 2 times. Okay. Click open now. Okay. Once you click open now, again, this interval box is showing. Now you have to click on open now. This is the NFT which you have got it. We have to upload it. Many things here we have to do it. So listen carefully. Once you receive the NFT, now you see there are 3 items over there: market, items, and calculator. You have to click on my items. You have to click on my items. After you click on the my items, this is the NFT. You can see your cute NFT over here. Okay, let's go back. We'll go back. We have just seen our NFT. Now you can see over there newcomer task. Okay, join task and newcomer task. 2 things are there. So we'll click on newcomer task. When you click on newcomer task, see, you have got the NFT. This task is completed. What is the second, third, fourth one? Second is the Twitter. We have to follow the Twitter. Third is join Discord, and fourth is invite friends. So we will click on follow the Twitter. So we'll click on the follow the Twitter. Now this will be the interface in front of you. You have to go to the Twitter handle and follow them. Just click follow them and come back to the app. Okay, you have come back to the app. You have completed the Twitter one. Now we have to complete the Discord one. Go to the Discord. Click on the Discord, accept invite. Once you click on accept invite, the interface will change. It will take you to the Discord channel. You have to click on verify button. You have clicked on verify. There will be continue button. Okay, now you have to click on the continue button. After you click on the continue button, one more time, it will show the continue button. Click on the continue button. Okay, once you click on the continue button, the interface will change in front of you. See here I can see the van. You may say elephant, camel, or something, anything. You have to click on make a selection. When you click on make a selection, you have to answer properly. Book, no. Bracelet, no. Cable, no. I had seen a van, so I'll click on the van. Click on the van button, and your account in Discord will get qualified, get verified. Understood, friends? After you get verified, you have to go back to the app again. Let's go back to the app. When you go back to the app, this will be the interface in front of you. We have completed everything. Follow friends, Twitter, everything. Join Discord, follow Twitter, everything we have completed. Now we'll click on invite friends. When you click on invite friends, this will be the interface in front of you. We have click on invite friend. Now invite. Click on the invite button. You can see the blue button invite. Yeah, click on that button. Once you click on that button, you will get your code over there. See, this is my code. Now this is my code. We have to copy. When you copy this code, the whole link gets copied. So share it with your friends, families, relatives, and try to make more and more referrals in this platform. After that, let's go back. Now when we go back, here you can see a create button. Okay, here we have to work properly. Click on the create button. After that, you can see a dispatch button. Click on that dispatch button. Once you click on that dispatch button, this will be the interface. See, this is the NFT which we have received. Now we'll have to upload it in the above position. We'll just click on the NFT. Click on the NFT. When you click on the NFT, now you have to confirm it. We are putting it on work. Okay, so we'll click on confirm. Once you put it on confirm, should I join this work? Yes, I'm going to join it. Click on confirm button. Click on the confirm button. See, here you can see the timer is running now, and you're going to get 27.06 I tokens. You can see the timer. If you go back, you can see the timer over here also. Okay, so we will come back here after 1 hour. If you go to wallet, and you can see the balance, I balance is 0, I locked balance is also 0 over here. Okay, after we have come after 1 hour, you can see the timer has gone, and I've got the button get. So we'll click on the get button, and I will get 27.06 I buttons. Okay, see this. Now you have to click on the confirm button. Let's click on the confirm button. When you click on the confirm button, this cute NFT has been worked, and 27.6 tokens, whose value is $7.30, is in your wallet. Right, let's go back, and you can check it. When you go to the wallet, and when you click on the wallet, you can see you have received 27.06 locked I tokens. Right, you can see the balance over there, and you can see the balance $7.30 are there in your wallet. So friends, this is all about I earn platform. So everyone participate in it, and let's give it a try. Let's accumulate 1200 I tokens, and see it whether we can withdraw it and sell it.